2024 Ford Escape ST line all-wheel drive hybrid. Only 35,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I'm back with another uncut, unedited, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Here we have this 2024 Ford Escape ST line. Such a weird name. Hybrid, all-wheel drive with 35,000 miles. One owner, clear Carfax, passed 105-point inspection. Does have the balance of factory warranty on it, on the powertrain, a little bit on the bumper-to-bumper. You can extend those very reasonably in the finance office. Speaking of finance, if you got good credit or great credit, we have banks that are going to save you time and money. And of course, you're always welcome to work with your own bank. If you have no credit, bad credit, great, average credit, well, let me say that again. No credit, bad credit, starting out, starting over. We have lenders that also will take a look at your business. Generally, if you're in one of those cases where your little credit's challenged, 20% gets you into the neighborhood where they're going to start considering you. It's case by case, of course, but that's just an educated guess that, hey, you got 20% down on a car, we're going to get you into this one or something else, even if you have a little shaky credit. Let's get back to this. It's got the leather cloth combination seats, or leatherette cloth combination seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, big touchscreen, navigation, Android Auto, Apple, power hatch, aluminum wheels, power seat. Just really a nice combination on this carbonized gray. My salespeople are not paid on profits. They're not paid on profits. They're paid on volume. So my sales team, they're not going to sit here and nickel and dime you. That makes the day go super, or the deals go super fast. Works that way in finance. We can do most paperwork remotely. We have free delivery within basically a couple hundred miles of Dickinson, plus Billings, plus Jamestown. I guess Jamestown's 200 miles away. A couple hundred miles away, plus Billings. Gillette, we get down over that way too. If you are along I-90 between the Black Hills and Billings, you're in our free delivery area too. Tires are deep. We do not have hidden fees. We do not have dock fees. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. We do not have hidden fees. We do not have fake sales. We do not have discounts that we advertise that you don't qualify for. We literally have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. Does not include tax, title, and license. TTL is place to place, state to state, county to county. Some people pay it, some people don't. We will gladly take it and pay your motor vehicle. Also, you don't have to pay us. You can literally write a check for the price on the windshield, drive away. Handle your own TTL. What else is there? Gosh, talking about the price you see is the price you pay. There's a lot of dealers advertising vehicles like this, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 cheaper. And then when you get there, surprise, it just sold. Or surprise, that's the bait and switch. Or surprise, yeah, that is the price of the car, but we also have $4,000 in dealer's fees. AMV fees, whatever you want to call it, reconditioning, $8.99 dock fee, $7.99 service fee, all this garbage. We don't have it. Price you see is the price you pay. If you find a dealer that has that garbage, you get there, they're advertising something like this for 21 grand, and you get there and that's not what you can write a check for, well, report them. It's wrong, it's illegal, it's immoral. We've never done it, we're never going to do it again. No fees, no dock, no dealer fees, nothing here at Autorama. What else? I'm changing my video format here a little bit, so yeah. So anyway, that's a little overview here on our vehicle, a little bit about us. If we can be of any help, get us a hold of us. Again, we do the deliveries. We don't have, my sales guys are not paid on profits. We can do most things remotely. We're fast financing. The financing, we got the financing that You got lenders that look at you at all types of different credit. The worse your credit is, the more you put down, the more likely you are to get it. All that combined is the Autorama advantage. Join us, folks.